Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to swap or convert this ECOX token to the main ECX token. Alright, this is the main ECX token that will be transferable. Alright, and you can either sell off this ECX token right on our P2P group and cash out your money immediately. Alright, because this ECX token is going to be launching as soon as January, so the more you accumulate the better for you. And this token is currently being traded and people have started buying and selling this token already. Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to convert this your balance right here to the ECM token. Okay, now you can see here that what I've earned is, what I've claimed so far is currently I've claimed up to 471 ECX token. So I'm gonna be swapping I'm gonna be converting this and swapping. Okay, and then that's what I'm gonna be showing you in this video. And then in the next video I'm gonna be showing you how to sell up this ECX token and cash out immediately. So if you are new to this channel, kindly ensure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that whenever I drop a new video you are gonna be updated. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna be doing is to click on where you have this sign here. You click on this sign, you tap on it. Then after typing on it, you now head to where you have this wallet. You click on where you have this your wallet, you tap on it. All right, then after typing on it, now you can see it will take you to this section. Okay, what I have to do is to just scroll right down to where you have this section right here. Okay, where you have this section. Okay, this is where the main conversion is being done. This conversion is currently happening, and there is always a designated period for the conversion. All right, for the conversion of what you've earned. I think at every weekend you can convert your balances to the main ECX token. You can convert this your green to the main ECX token. All right, so what you'll be doing is that you can either decide to swap or convert 50% or 75% or 100%. So in this case I want to be converting all the ECX, so I'll be highlighting on this. Okay, so I'll be highlighting on this so that I can to convert all these points to the main ECX token. All right, so I'll just tap on that 100%. You can see this is what I'm gonna be converting, and I'll just click on where you have this convert. Immediately if I click on that, it's going to convert immediately. And then if this point now will be giving me 0.66 ECX token, and here is the conversion rate. All right, so here's the conversion rate. So I'll just tap on confirm, and then I'll confirm it immediately, and the conversion has just been done successfully. All right, you click on that confirm button again, and then after clicking on that confirm button, you have successfully converted my token. Right here you can see that the token has been converted. That's why if you tap on this, nothing will pop up right here because it has been converted already. Other videos that I've dropped in this ECOX project is right at the description of this video. For those that want to join the project, go ahead and sign up, do your KYC. Other videos are dropped right at the description of this video for a guide on how to go about the process. Check it and then watch the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, join the WhatsApp and Telegram group to stay updated in when the listing of this project is gonna be happening. All right, so that is how you convert your ECX token to the main token right here on the ECOX network. And right here you can see my balances. This is the main coin that I've just swapped. All right, this is the main coin that I've just swapped. All right, so with this coin now, I'm gonna be able to sell off this coin at the black market or at the P2P group. All right, and cash out the money immediately while waiting for the listing of this project. Ensure you take this project very, very serious and don't miss out for any reason. All right, so see you in the next video.